Chili con carne three-way. It's a little chilly out here. Chili like Fritos. When we think of chili three-way, we immediately think of Cincinnati. WKRP in Cincinnati. Skyline Chili. I feel really stupid doing this because this is so simple. But this is the only time of year where this really makes sense. Where I live, winter pops in, says, toodaloo, and then pops right back out. In Minnesota, you could eat this about 11 months out of the year. You can use ground beef. In this case, I'm using a little sirloin tips. You fry them over high heat and break them down a bit. Chili is cooking 101. Beans are optional. If you don't have all these individual spices, feel free to use a pouch of the pre-mixed chili seasoning. I like it hot and spicy. I make chili that has about everything you could put in chili. You could do this in a crock pot. You can do this on a stovetop. You can even put it in a very low oven. Add a little dash of Worcestershire. I had these cheap ass noodles on hand. You can use any cheese you like. This Colby Jack is way better if you grate it on a box grater. They add cellulose to the shredded stuff just to keep it from clumping. Wow, that slice of pizza tastes a lot like eating a shredded candle from Big Lots.